Today we're installing the Frantz 6.0 filter system on a Ford Powerstroke engine. Before we get started, the base has magnets, so easy mount. You just stick it on, it sticks to the steel. We will go ahead and pre-install the smaller stainless steel braided hose onto the canister itself before we mount the base. And then we'll put the supply line also on the base before we stick it on. Use a 9/16 wrench to tighten up the fitting. Make sure there's no oil leaks. And then now we're ready to stick the base on the truck itself. So just guide it in. The longer line will be for the oil supply line, and this one will be for the oil fill cap. We'll take the fill cap that come with the system, take the factory one off, just unscrew it, and then the new one will screw right into the original place. Tighten down, and the ends have quick disconnect, so you can just push them on, snap, and that one's connected. The next item will be the oil filter cap, so we'll take a crescent wrench, unscrew it off. Take the cap off. We'll go ahead and change the old filter. Since we have it apart, we'll go ahead and put a new one on. This is the new filter. It snaps into the base of the new cap. And then we will take the O-ring that came with the new filter, install on the new cap also. You just have to roll it up over the threads and into the O-ring groove. And then that just goes in there, replaces. You push down and start the threads. Tighten it up hand tight, and then put a little more pressure on it to get it the rest of the way tight with the crescent wrench. And then connect the actual line, which again has the quick disconnect. It's just a push together and snap. And then you just make sure the lines are out of the way of things, they're not rubbing on anything critical. And then the last step of the unit is to tighten up the clamp on the filter base. Once it's tight, you start the engine, make sure there's no oil leaks in the system. If there are, you just tighten up some of the fittings. And that is the complete install for a Frantz Ford 6.0 Powerstroke kit.